Stephen Flynn is trying to generate leads for his business through a sign-up form. But the form he created isn't generating the result that he was expecting. All he is getting are some email addresses. Most of them are invalid. Frustrated, he reaches out to his WordPress-savvy friend Andrew, who provides a smart solution. Andrew suggests using Fluent Forms to validate the emails. Let's discover how this resolves Flynn's problem. In Fluent Forms, click Add New and select Blank Form. Now, we're gonna add our necessary fields. A name field is a must-have for a sign-up form, so we're gonna take a name field. What else do people usually need in a sign-up form? You got that right. Contact details like phone and email. Let's grab those. In the email field, we are going to make this required by clicking here. The next thing is the most important part, email validation. It's quite simple actually. Just click this and you are done. Now, what happens when someone uses the right email format but inserts an email that doesn't even exist? Nobody wants that. But how do you prevent it? We have a solution for that as well. Email verification with Emailable. It's super simple and easy to set up. All you gotta do is create an account in Emailable. From there, grab the API key. In the next step, head to Plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Here, install any code snippet plugin in your WordPress and activate it. Then, head to Snippets and click on Add New. Set a name and paste this code in here. Don't worry about the code. We will provide it in the description. Inside the code, you will only have to tweak these three things. First, place your form ID here. Next, we're gonna customize the error message. And in the last step, you will have to put in the API key that you got from Emailable. Once done, click on Save Changes and hit Activate. And you are all set. Let's see if it works. Here, try putting a random text rather than an email. No one can do. Even you can put an email that doesn't exist. Now, neither will you ever get random text instead of an email address or a non-existent email. Enjoy the benefit of lead generation without the hassle of spam.